Yeah, yesterday was 27th, and it was Ratha Yatra and everything. Uh, we didn't get any rain, but it was just about to come at night. This is the southern side of the ashram, and around about, every evening the wind comes harder. After the night falls, the wind doesn't come so hard from the south. But yesterday it just blew the rain away. Yeah, as you can see, it's raining out there now, and I was down there in the Yamuna. Many people are taking a nice time there. This isn't the first rain. The first rain comes with a lot of bacteria, a lot of things in the atmosphere. This is the fun rain. This is a fun rain. I don't know if you'll be able to see me. Let's see what we can do. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. Thank you very much. Radharani made our day beautiful yesterday. What happened this year is that Radha Shyama the person who's in charge of it, Krishna Ananda Gopal Mahant, he had to have a hernia operation. So then after his hernia operation, he couldn't go to Jagannath Puri. He's like the person who, Baladeva Vidyabhushan's, all his temples that were here, he inherited through his family. But also he has places in Puri. So he usually goes to Puri for Jagannath Ratha Yatra, but this year he couldn't. Still, he walked sweeping. And I was, I could see that his feet were still a little swollen. So I was wondering why he's doing that. But he actually was sweeping all the way down to Gyan Gudri, where everybody meets. And it just turned out to be because this year also, I was surprised that Radha Damodar, they didn't have their 12 noon Ratha Yatra in their temple. That's what they usually do. This year they actually took Jagannath out and took him all the way down to Gyan Gudri. Now this was a good year. And then Radha Raman, one of the Mahants of Radha Raman, he's preaching a lot and really doing good. Yeah. And he's also training young people up. So he had all his young people, I'd say over the age of 16, 17, 18, around that age group. And they were just singing Nitai Gaur and Hare Krishna and just, there's quite a bit of them too. Yeah, so he had his whole group out there, and I was really happy to see that. Yeah, I really liked that one. And so many people were down there. At Gyan Gudri, the place was packed. Gyan Gudri is where the gopis took Krishna's letters. He actually didn't write just one letter. He wrote 9 letters. And Uddhava explained them to him. So I don't even think Uddhava can understand the letters, but he gave the letters to the gopis. But they came all the way over here to Gyangudri, and that's where they threw him into the Yamuna River to take to Krishna. Here, take these letters to Krishna. So that's where everybody meets, at Gyangudri. Okay.